Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Samo. So guys, we're gonna be doing something so crazy today. We're gonna be reviewing the iPhone 16 Pro. Well, this phone has been out for 3 months now, and I'm just gonna be giving you guys my personal review about the phone, specs, the features, how it differs from the iPhone 15 series. So we just want to know what makes this phone so different from the other iPhones. People have been talking about the phone, it has some new features that the other iPhones don't even have. So I'm going to be going into those features and I'm going to be letting you guys know. Let's get into it. This is the box of the iPhone 16 Pro. This is the deep space black, and the box is pretty standard. No surprises from Apple. This is still the same way they've been making their boxes, and it's always nice to see how clean and minimalistic Apple keeps things. Well, this phone has been unboxed. This is just the box. It's been used for 3 weeks now, and when you get the phone, it comes with a USB Type-C cable and any additional accessories. So this is the box, still the same, no changes, still the same box, just it's a different phone. Let's go. Okay, so guys, this is the iPhone 16 Pro. It feels very sturdy, lightweight, and that is what we should expect from Apple, because we don't want to make like the phone, we don't want it to be so heavy. We want it to be lightweight like this, and it's a sturdy feeling and it's durable. This is made from titanium, and that is what makes it lighter than its predecessor, while still feeling super sturdy. Well, the iPhone 16 Pro compared to the iPhone 15 Pro is still a big phone, but the reduced weight makes it a bit more manageable in hand. And there are a lot of colors. I just love this deep space black color. It looks sleek and modern, and the matte finish at the back here. This is the matte finish. It makes it fingerprint free. When you use the other versions of the iPhone, like the for an instance, the iPhone 11, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, like whenever you use it, you can it's glass, and you can have like some fingerprint stains around the phone if you don't use it with a pouch. But with the matte finish on this phone, it is fingerprint free, and that is a very good update Apple added to the phone, which I really love about the phone. Yeah. So one thing I actually like about the iPhone 16 Pro is actually I like the way the phone feels on the hand. It's a very sturdy phone, and feeling the back alone, the matte finish right here, it makes it so perfect. This phone is a very good phone, and to its previous model, the iPhone 14, well, I won't say there's a lot of changes. Honestly, there's no much changes. It's just that the iPhone 16 Pro Max has some new features that are not on the former phone. But if we're talking about switching to the phone, if you're using the previous version, it's probably perfectly still. So it's just be maybe because of the photography, and maybe because of playing video games, not even playing video games, maybe because of some other things. That would be the reason why I would advise you to go to the next one, because the phone it's still the same as the 15 Pro. It's just the 16 and the 15 that it's obviously very different, but it looks alike. It's just when people come close to look at the phone that they can feel like this is not the 16 Pro, this is not the 15 Pro, this is the 16 Pro. But apart from that, you actually don't have to go to the next one, only if you just want to experience the new features that this phone have. Apart from that, your previous phone is probably still perfectly fine. So we still have a lot to talk about the phone, honestly, and I'm going to be going into that right now. So see you guys. Okay guys, we're going to be talking about the Super Retina XDR display, which is the display that the phone has to offer. Yeah, so this is a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, which is absolutely stunning. Apple has improved in the display, and what did they improve in? They're improving the brightness, which means whenever you're indoor, the brightness will go to the one that fits the indoor, and when you're outdoor too, it goes to the one that fits outdoor, which makes it a true pleasure to use in bright outdoor conditions. And let's talk about one more thing. This right here, the dynamic island. The dynamic island is still the same from the former iPhone, not much difference, just like some new added features to the dynamic island. But honestly, I've not really seen the new features that have been added. To me, it's still the same, from the 14 series where they started the dynamic island. it's still the same up to now, honestly. And if we want to talk about the smoothness of the phone, you can see it. And this is what they call a 120Hz promotion, which makes it very, very smooth. The refresh rate is absolutely stunning. You can see, like, you can go, you know, it's perfect. Honestly, the refresh rate is so stunning, and it's gonna help in a lot of things. Let's say you want to play some video games, let's say you editing some videos, you know, the iPhone 16 Pro offers very good features for all of that, trust me. Yeah, so there's one more thing I also want you guys to know about the iPhone 16 Pro. If I'm talking about the battery life of the phone, well, to me, I've not seen any difference. The battery life of Apple is still the same thing. Like, if this phone is fully charged 100%, it's going to take you the whole day without having to charge the phone again. So to me, the battery life is still the same thing from the, you know, from the 15 and from the 14. It's still like the same, you know, what Apple has been doing. So the battery is still pretty good. It's pretty okay. It's gonna last you longer all day. Having 100% on the phone is gonna last you a whole day. So I think that's pretty fine. That's okay. One thing, you need to have good battery life, you know. So that's pretty fine. Yeah, I don't know. I just like this phone, you know. Okay, guys, we're gonna be talking about the main reason why the iPhone 16 Pro is different from all other iPhone. There's a new feature that Apple just added to the iPhone 16, which is different. No other iPhone has this feature, and it's about the camera control button over here. So we have this camera control button over here. This is just one click away from you, and you just have to click it, and then you can access the camera in a very easy way. Look, click this, boom, you're going to access the camera. So easy. So now let's say you want to capture a very nice moment. You don't have to unlock your phone to do any of that. Just click this button right here, and you're going to have access to the camera. So easy. That's one of the reasons why I like the phone. And not only that, this button also works like a, you know, in the camera when you want to zoom, it can also like zoom. Look, that's out, and just go like that. Go up to 25 meg, like crazy, right? Yeah. Yeah, so that's what Apple added to the iPhone 16, which is making it very different from all other iPhone. The camera control over here, control button here, which makes it easy for you to access the camera. Yeah, that is one lovely thing I like about the phone. And look at this beautiful piece. Oh my god. Yeah, so this is the front camera. This is the front selfie camera of the iPhone 16 Pro. Really nice. This is the front camera. It's really nice. Looks good, honestly. This is nice. This is perfect. And I'm going to be showing you guys the back camera too. Yeah, this is the back camera of the iPhone 16 Pro. Pretty nice. 4K. This is 4K on 60 FPS. And over here, I'm going to be testing the zoom. I'm going to be testing the zoom button. So we are out now, and we're going in. So that is how far it can go, up to 15 meg over here. On video, it can go up to 15 meg, and on picture, it can go up to 25 meg. Hey guys, one thing I want to talk about the iPhone 16, this is the iPhone 16 Pro, is, you know, this phone is, its camera quality is very crazy. And, you know, I showed you guys the back and the front camera, whereby I did some videos on the front camera, and I also did some videos on the back camera. And I also showed you guys the zoom, whereby this video can zoom up to 15 meg, and the picture can zoom up to 25 meg. That is so crazy. Like, this is the first time iPhone is doing something like that in their zooming, which is very nice. If you want to take a picture, if you want to capture a moment that is far away, you can do that. And I've always said it, I love the camera control button. It's just, you can just have a moment where you want to capture something. Let's say you want to capture the sunset. not even the sunset. The sunset can stay for a while. Let's say you want to capture something going away so fast, you can just bring it out, you click the button, boom, camera is open, and then you can like you can actually take the picture you want to take. It's so nice. Yeah, so the iPhone 16, it's very good. If you want to go into photography, you can use this. And honestly, if you want to change from the 15, to the 16, I would not say you should change because of camera, because both phones' camera are still pretty good. So I would say the only reason why you would change your phone is if you want to experience the features that this phone has to offer. Apart from that, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is pretty still and very a good phone, whereby the features that differentiate them to me is still just this, honestly, the camera control button. Apart from that, I'm not seeing any new features. Like, it's just some added features, you know. So if you're using the 15 Pro Max, you're still using a very good phone. And if you want to talk about the price of this phone, it's, you know, it costs, you know. The iPhone 16 Pro ranges from the price of 1449, which is it's expensive, honestly. If you're using the iPhone 15 Pro Max, like, you can stick to your phone. I see no reason why you would want to change the phone, because it's basically still the same thing, honestly. It's just the little features that have been added to it. So if you changing the phone and cost is not a problem, yeah, you can do that to, like, you know, experience the new features the phone has. But if you with the 15 Pro Max and it's pretty okay, still good, I wouldn't see any reason why you want to change the phone, because the 15 Pro Max is the 15 Pro Max. The 15 is basically still perfect, you know. So that's the price. It's highly expensive, you know, but not for everyone though. People can afford it without thinking about anything. Yeah, so that's one thing about the phone. Yeah, so apart from that, the phone is a very good phone. It's very, like, it's one of the best phone Apple has ever produced. Like, you know, I told you, I almost got the phone. I like the way the phone feels, you know, in the hand. It's sturdy, it's comfy. The matte finish of the back here, it's one thing I love. And the camera control button, whereby you can, like, take the camera any moment, you can capture any moment easily. Like, isn't that just so fantastic? Yeah, so that's one thing about the iPhone 16 Pro. It's a very beautiful phone, nice, fashionable. Apple never misses on that. Apple always, you know, they know the taste. Honestly, they know you guys' taste, they know our taste. They never miss out on the fashion. It's always fashionable, you know. And I just like this color, super. It's sleek, modern, perfect. Yeah, so that was the cost about it. And you know, let's see what else we have. Yeah, I have just one more thing to say, and we're gonna round this up. This has been perfect. We've been talking about the iPhone 16 Pro, and it's been a good video, and it's been going good. You know, I just want you guys to know my personal review about the phone. So what I want to say is, if you are upgrading from an older iPhone, let me say you're coming from the iPhone 11, iPhone 12, even the iPhone 13, you know, I would like consider you getting the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Honestly, I would want you to do that, because you're gonna experience nice features and nice things. But if you have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, have the 14 Pro, I wouldn't say you should come and use the 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max, unless if you want to do something like you want to review the phone, you want to do some other stuff, you want to, like, you just want to experience the features the phone has to offer. Honestly, apart from that, I'm not going to advise you to change to the 16 Pro Max. It's a good phone, don't get me wrong, but the 15 Pro Max too is still perfectly good, perfectly fine. Just if you are coming from an older version of iPhone, I would advise you to do that. Honestly, that's one thing I would advise you to do. So I want you guys to let me know what you think about the iPhone 16 Pro. Is it worth upgrading to? Just let me know. Is it worth upgrading to? Drop your thoughts in the comment. Let me know if it's worth upgrading to, and let me know what you think about the phone. Is it overhyped? Is it good? If you have the phone, what do you think about the phone? Are there any features you've discovered that I don't know about? Let me know. Just say it in the comment box, and we'll see. So thank you guys for watching, and you know, stay safe, stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. One love.